Well, today's Foodie Friday, and we are talking about burgers. Eyewitness News reporter Allison Scott was at Sam's Uptown Cafe here in Charleston with some tips to spice up your burgers at home. Take a look.
At Sam's Uptown Cafe in Charleston, you'll find juicy burgers ready to rock your taste buds. From the most popular burger to some other fan favorites, owner Paul Greco is sharing his secrets for creating a delicious burger.
When you put them down, you want to kind of just leave them alone and let them do their thing. You know, everybody says that, and it's really true. You want to get a nice crust on the first side before you flip them.
One of those tips that you were saying for people is to really put some salt and pepper on them.
Goes a long way, and you know, just about every protein, a little salt and pepper does.
About 8 ounces of meat is packed together in every burger at Sam's, and salt and pepper is their choice for seasoning.
We always toast our buns before we put burgers on them. It softens them up on the inside, gets a little crunch on the outside, adds a little flavor.
From the Sam burger to the Tavern burger, Greco adds more flavor by topping those burgers with a variety of cheese. And the fun comes when you start adding the extras.
You know, use your imagination is really, you know, just use ingredients you like, and you really can't go wrong.
So if people want to recreate these at home, what are some easy ways to do that?
All of these condiments are available just about anywhere. It's just, don't skimp on the beef. You know, I highly recommend buying good quality meat, and just salt and pepper and good heat, and you know, really, it kind of does its thing on its own. In
Charleston, Allison Scott, Eyewitness News.
And for burger recipes from Sam's Uptown Cafe, just head over to our website, WCHSTV.com. And next week, we're featuring a location in the tri-state area with the tastiest coffee. On our Facebook page, you can nominate a place you'd like to see featured.